Well, here it is, the 84 Ramcharger Royale SE C. First day here, just disconnected the water pump belt because it's got a heck of a knock. And I knew it when I bought it. I thought it could be the water pump, but it's not. So I'm going to start it up now and let you listen to it. Except that the door lock has got a personality that will not stop. Everything needs fixed, but it's all there. And it being one of the highest appointed with the Royal SE. So potentially, it's got potential, potentially. That's in the motor. It's about in here, between these last two. Goes away when you rev it. Well, I guess it doesn't. You can still hear it. It sure is there. Got good oil pressure. Just like the rest of it, it's a heck of a candidate. Moving radiator, MSC ignition, jam distributor. She's a knocking for certain. Time for a rebuild, or a 392 scat pack.